For January, immerse yourself in Atomic Habits by James Clear. This gem will guide you on habit formation and productivity, the perfect way to start the year with a bang. In February, delve into Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Tealdi. This captivating read will teach you the art of persuasion and communication. When March rolls around, pick up Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This enlightening book will refine your critical thinking and decision-making skills. In April, it's time for a classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This timeless work will help you develop relationship building and interpersonal skills. May is all about Deep Work, Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Newport. This insightful read will teach you the important skill of deep work and concentration. For June, we have The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. This book will shape your understanding on time management and personal effectiveness. July brings The Lean Startup by Rees. This book is perfect for those wanting to learn about entrepreneurship and the lean methodology. In August, embrace The Subtle Art of Not Giving an Effort by Manson. This compelling read will instill resilience and mental toughness within you. September is the time for The Art of Learning by Waitzkin. This book will teach you about learning strategies and mastery. In October, it's Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When Stakes Are High by Kerry, Patterson. This book will help you develop conflict resolution and effective communication skills. November brings Mindset, the New Psychology of Success by Carol S. Dweck. This enlightening book will teach you about the growth mindset and personal development. Remember, your thoughts shape your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your reality. If you want to change your reality, it starts with changing your beliefs. And that change begins with a book. So, are you ready to turn the page and start this transformative journey?